Open it with you?
Yeah.
What did you get?
This side, Mommy.
I need to get all the paper.
Yeah. Nice.
Open up.
Open her?
And what's the other one?
What other one?
The other Barbie doll.
Oh, that Aunt Alex got you?
Yeah.
Oh, she's in the car.
Oh.
We'll get her later. Okay?
And then,
Here, open this one.
the princesses.
Oh, Santa must know you like princesses.
Yeah.
Should we give Viva a present?
Yeah.
Let's take her out and see. Viva, you got presents too.
Look at all the presents you got, Emmy.
We got penguins.
What?
We got penguins.
Penguins?
Penguin and her dummy.
Yeah.
So did you.
And, yeah.
Sure. She's gonna fall over, Lisa.
Look what you got.
Oh. Viva got that.
Yeah, you like it?
And that just goes on that.
Oh, peekaboo. Barks. Boy, you're a slow present opener. Oh, what is that? I think it's a ballerina outfit for this dolly.
No.
No? What is it?
It's for me.
Oh, it's a ballerina outfit for you?
No, it's oh, it's for my ballerina. Just open it.
Just open it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
And then
nice.
the slippers.
Let's open up some other toys first and see what else you got, and then we
Yeah.
open up the slippers.
We'll do that. Let's see what else we got, and then we'll go back to this, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was that another present, Emily?
Ooh, here's another present. Open that. You're welcome.
Here, Mommy. Here.
Oh, thank you. I put it on Viva.
Don't play with the paper, Peter.
Oh, somebody's stinky over here.
Yeah.
Who is it?
Yanni.
Okay. Do you need help with that?
Beaver. No. No, Beaver.
Should I give Viva another present?
Yeah.
Let's see what Viva got. Here you go, Viva. What did you get? Oh!
Let's open the toy. Let's open it.
Open it? Okay. Open their present. You open that while I open this for her.
Okay.
Oh, here he comes.
Emily,
Look out the window, quick.
look out the window. It's Santa.
Pick her up.
Look. It's Santa. It's Santa. Look. Did you see him?
I see him.
Okay, come on. Sorry, here's your present. Open that. Okay, finish opening your present. That's Viva's present. You're helping her? Okay, come on. Okay, come on. We have lots more presents to open.
Oh, look at that present.
Come on, open up.